Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can enable the function whenever you receive a call so the flashlight blinks. So if you want to enable the flash on call feature, then what you can simply do is go to your settings and try to enable that feature from there. But if your phone setting does not support that option or it does not have that, then you can simply go to the Google Play Store and download any application like this one, which is Flash Alerts Call and SMS. There are tons of applications which allows you for this particular customization, and once you will install them, simply open them and grant them the necessary permissions. And once that is done, simply click on this enable toggle, and then from here you can choose the flashing speed as well and test it out if you want. So do share with us in the comments if that worked for you or not, and I hope you have a great day. Don't forget to like this video, share it, and comment on this as well.